and girls, I'm excited to bring you Zion. This is a new long bob style from the Noriko Fall 2019 collection. Zion is a trendy, razor-cut long bob that has a lace front and a center monofilament part. Let's take a closer look at this very bold, beautiful new bob. Zion's wig cap features a hand-tied front for a natural hairline and off-the-face styling options. You have a wide, hand-tied monofilament center part, which offers the appearance of natural growth at the part. On either side, you have velvet-lined adjustable ear tabs. The wefted sides and back allow air to travel through for scalp coolness. On either side of the extended velvet-lined nape are bra strap style adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Well, here is Zion. Now this is certainly a very pretty long bob that's a great mid-length style. Right out of the box, she's ready to wear. I am having a little bit of trouble with the front here, just keeping it from falling directly in my face. Certainly you could steam the fibers to try to train them to come back off of the center of the face a little bit. You could also try some wig styling spray. Zion has an average cap that fits a head which is 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. And this cap fits me a little snug right out of the box, so I don't feel that it would be suitable for someone with a larger than average head size. In fact, it may work well for someone who is a petite average size. The lace front is well done. You can see it here. It's temple to temple and sheer. The center part offers the appearance of hair growing right out of the scalp. Now the hair is very fine and dense. The fiber is Moda acrylic, high quality synthetic fiber, and it feels silky, just like natural human hair. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love that it's mid-length. It means that this style will last longer than the longer styles. Right side. The measurements on Zion. In the front fringe is 8.26 inches long. The crown is 9.05 inches long, and the nape is 3.63 inches long. This style weighs 3.8 ounces, so though it's very sleek and straight, don't misunderstand, there is plenty of density here. You don't have to worry about wefts showing. Well, let's talk about this beautiful color. It's called Melted Plum. This is a long-rooted ombre color, and I'm going to show it to you inside the house and then outside a natural light. It starts out as deep plum. It melts into fuchsia pink, that melts into a pale pink, which lightens to nearly white at the tips. You should know that there is a $19 upcharge when you order this wig in this particular color. Here is the color Melted Plum in natural light. do have styling options with Zion. This style looks really cute, tucked behind the ear. And while there's not a great deal of length in the back, if you would like to pull the sides back and pin it with a barrette, you create another very cute look. And because there is a lace front, you certainly could take the top and pin it back with a barrette for another cute look. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Zion, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry Zion in all of the beautiful Noriko salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to pinkypromise.com, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% discount code good on your purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about great sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about Zion or this color, I'm more than happy to answer. Leave them in the comments section below. If you wear Zion, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. If you like this, take a look at my other wig reviews and other wig advice and tips under the videos section of my channel. If you'd like to subscribe, you'll receive alerts whenever I post a new video. Well, thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.